130. I'm gonna take a big foot. $75. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee the Traveler on all my socials: Instagram, Facebook. No, not Facebook. TikTok, YouTube. I hope you're following me. Thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you like the video. It's going to be a supermarket video, a mini. I'm just getting some snacks because I want snacks, a little late night snack. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video and have a good day and a good week. Bye.
Girlfriend, you know, so long not your girlfriend.
Here trying to get some snacks, right? Doritos 130. I think that size here. 14, yeah. Why Cheetos? 3.5 ounce. I go for 360. Another size here. What? The big pack of Doritos I go for 1,025. Make it make sense, Jesus. Make it make sense. Cannot afford Jamaica. I'm gonna take a big foot. $75 for a big foot. And I become I love big foot. $75 for a big foot. Give me some. Alright, so I'm at the supermarket. I'm trying to get some snacks. But why things so expensive? About it. Banana chips. What's that part of $240? Wow. Remember when banana chips used to be $75? Let me say about the St. Mary Rye plantain chips. St. Mary Rye plantain chips. I guess I don't want it. I've never tried this before. 130. How we can try it? I'm a free Saldanza. Oops, Saldanza people. St. Mary go on too outrageous. Saldanza go for 115. The only thing when I do one drastic increase. Imagine one club social up to $50. Let's put it back here, babes. It's okay. I'm in my business, but I realized something. On the rock cake, Miss Bird rock cake, right? There's a price on it, 148 plus tax. However, in here, this much feed, $160, and that's a plus tax. And see here, somebody scam somebody. Now let's go back out. Let's see how much it comes up to. I can have a bag as well, please. I can have a bag as well, please. So make it so how much it can come up to. Now I have these. Already? Yeah. So that's almost 3. And we hold it at 3, 3, 5, 3, 2. I think we have more than 3. Yeah, thank you. Hey guys, so this part of the video is going to be an Amazon jewelry haul. So I have been looking for some really cute earrings lately, and I found these on Amazon, and I thought these were really cute. Like the shape of them, the design, they're lightweight. So I really like this. Here I'm trying to show them to you, like try them on. Look at their fit, so cute. But the thing is, I took them on a trip with me, and because they're so thin and lightweight, they broke. Girl, they broke, but the boxing is cute, the packaging is really cute, and I love that. I will, if you want to know the info on it, you can just ask in the comment section. I also got some from Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade a lot, so I got these cuddle earrings, and it's saying that you deserve the world. That was the note on the inside. So these earrings were really cute. I got them on Amazon for at a discounted rate. However, so they're really beautiful. However, the back of them, that's the part that you actually insert in your ears, they were changing color just a tad bit, and of course that would irritate my ear. So here I'm showing it to you. It's very cute, very dainty. Yeah, so they're very cute and dainty. However, because the color was changing, I reached out to Kate Spade and they were able to change it. By the way, I did not get those from Amazon but from Kate Spade. Yeah, so the other earrings were from Amazon and these were actually from Kate Spade. So that's how I was able to reach out to them, and they were able to send not send me a new pair. They were able to refund me for the pair. However, I still kept them, but I really clean them off with alcohol, and sometimes it irritates me when I wear it, but I mean they're so adorable. Anyways, so yeah, I stopped wearing them now, but yeah, they're extremely cute. It's just that one flaw. All right, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.